Hello everyone, myself Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor from Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. Today we will learn job analysis. What is job analysis? Job analysis. Before understanding the meaning of job analysis, first of all we will understand what is job. A job may be defined as a collection or aggregation of tasks, duties and responsibilities which as a whole are regarded as a regular assignment to individual employees. In other words, when the total work to done is divided and grouped into packages, we call it a job. Definition of job. According to Dale Yoder, a job is a collection or aggregation of tasks, duties and responsibilities as a whole is regarded as a regular assignment to individual employees and which is different from other assignment. Now come to the job analysis. What is job analysis? Job analysis is a systematic and detailed examination of jobs. It is procedure for determining the duties and skill requirements of a job and the kind of person who should be hired for it. Definition of job analysis. According to Scott, Clother and Sprague, job analysis is the process of critically evaluating the operations, duties and responsibilities of the job. In other words of Yoder, the job analysis is the procedure by which the facts with respect to each job are systematically discovered and noted. So finally we can say that job analysis is a formal and detailed examination of job. It is systematic investigation of the task, duties, responsibilities which are necessary to do a job. As we know, a task is identifiable for work activity carried out for a specific purpose. Now, the job analysis may include these activities. First, reviewing the job responsibilities of current employees. Next, doing internet research and viewing sample job description online or offline highlighting similar jobs. Next, analyzing the work duties, tasks and responsibilities that need to be accomplished by filling the position. Next, researching and sharing the companies that have similar jobs. Next, articulation of the most important outcomes or contributions need from the position. Now, uses of job analysis. There are various uses of job analysis like human resource planning, recruitment, selection, placement and orientation, training, counseling, employee safety, performance appraisal, job designing and redesign, job evaluation. The first is human resource planning. Job analysis helps in forecasting human resource requirements in terms of knowledge and skills. It also helps in determining quality of human resources needed in an organization. Next, recruitment. Job analysis is also used to find out how and when to hire people for future job openings. Next, selection. As we know, without a proper understanding of what is to be done on job, it is not possible to select the right person. So, job analysis is also very useful in selection method. Next, placement and orientation. After selection people, we have to place them on jobs best suits to their interests, activities and aptitude. If we are not sure about what is to be done on a job, it is not possible to teach a new employee how to handle a job. Next is training. In training, we see that if there is confusion about what the job is and what is supposed to be done, proper training efforts cannot be initiated. Next is counseling. In counseling, manager can properly counsel the employees about their careers when they understand the different jobs in the organization. Next is employee safety. A thorough job analysis reveals unsafe condition associated with the job. With the help of job analysis, we can remove the unsafe conditions. Next is performance appraisal. In performance appraisal, we compare the work of the employees, what he has to do and what he is actually doing. What the employee is supposed to do is based on job analysis. Next is job design and redesign. For understanding, jobs are understood more properly through job analysis. It is easy to locate the weak points in any and take remedial steps. Next is job evaluation. The job evaluation is finding the worth of job, how much is to be paid or any particular job. This can be done through the job analysis, as it tells the degree of difficulty in any job, type of work done, skills and knowledge needed, etc., which is the basis of evaluating the job worth. So all these are uses of job analysis. Now next is process of job analysis. The steps of involved in job analysis are as follow: organizational job analysis, selecting representative jobs for analysis, collection of data for job analysis, preparing job description, preparing job specification. First, organizational analysis. So first we need to obtain all over picture of the various jobs in an organization. Next, selection of representative position. It is not possible to analyze all jobs, so a representative sample of jobs to be analyzed is decided keeping the cost and time constraints in mind. Next, collection of job analysis data. This step involves the collection of data on the characteristics of the job, the required behavior and personal qualification needed to carry out the job effectively. Next, preparation of job description. This step involves describing the content of jobs in terms of function, duties, responsibility, operation, etc. Next is preparation of job specification. In this step involves conversion of job description statement into job specification. So all these are step of process of job analysis. Now techniques and method of job analysis. The first is observation method, interview method, daily method, technical conference method, functional job analysis, questionnaire method, job inventories or checklist method, job performance method. First is observation method. Under this method, data is collected through observing an employee while at work. The job analyst, on the basis of observation, carefully records what the worker does, how he or she does, and how much time is needed for completion of a given task. This is the most reliable method of seeking first-hand information relating to a job. Next, interview method. It involves discussion between job analysis and job occupants or experts. Job analysis data from individual and group interviews with employees are often supplemented by information from supervisor of employees whose job are to be analyzed. Daily method. It requires the job holders to record in detail their activity on a daily basis. Next, technical conference method. In this method, services of the supervisors who possesses extensive knowledge about a job are used with the help of a conference of the supervisors. The analyst initiates discussion which provides details about the job. Next, functional job analysis. It is a method that uses precise terminology and structured job analysis schedule to record information regarding the job content. It is especially useful to the recruiting and selection function. Next is questionnaire method. These can be filled out by the employees on an individual basis or by job analyst for a group of employees. Job inventories or checklist method. These are structured questionnaires that require a respondent to check or rate behavior or worker character necessary to a particular job or occupation. Job inventories can either be task, job oriented or qualification, worker oriented. Next, job performance method. In this method, the job analyst actually performs the job in question and thus receive first-hand experience of contextual factors on the job, including physical hazard, social demand, and emotional pressures, mental requirements. Now, components of job analysis. Job analysis have two components. The first is job description and second is job specification. We will discuss these components in next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.